Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you the truth you need to know about this website. So it's a newly launched website, an investment website. So right here you can see those that invest in this type of website are risky takers. So that's what you must know. You cannot just see a website like this and just carry all your money and put in the website. It's those that is risky takers that can invest in this website, and in this website you can just invest what you can afford to lose. That is the truth. Just invest what, if you invest the money, if you lose the money, it's not going to pain you, because this website does not last long. Some of them last for 15 days, some last for 20 days, some even 10 days. So that's why I said that people that invest in this website are risky takers. So you cannot just see the website like this, you say that you just carry your money, put and invest. So right here, so if you're interested in the website, if you want to invest, so all you need to do is just to, if you click the link in description, to actually bring you right here. So enter your number, enter the captcha, put your password and confirm your password right here. After that, you then click on this register. It's very simple to sign up. After registration, you'll be given a 600 naira as a sign up bonus. So as you can see right here, if you come down right here, you can see that their minimum withdrawal is 1000 naira, and this is very important. If you invest on this website, if your money reach minimum withdrawal, just try to withdraw it. So that is the truth. So right here, if you invest 2.5, you're gonna be earning 250 every day. So if you invest 2500 in 10 days, you have gotten your money back with the 600 naira bonus. So it will be like 9 days you have gotten your money back. So right here, this one right here, if you invest 8000 naira, you're gonna be earning 960 naira every day. So in 9 days you have gotten your money back, you have gotten your capital. This one right here, if you invest 20,000 naira, you're gonna be earning 2600 every day. This one right here, in 9 days you have gotten your money back. This one right here, if you invest 60,000 naira, you're gonna be earning 8,400 right here. You can see this one right here. You can see this one right here, if you invest 150,000 naira, you're gonna be earning 22,500 naira every day. So you can see the packages right here. Just select any amount that you can afford to lose. So right here, you have seen the packages right here, and this side right here have referral program where you can refer people and earn money. If I click on this team right here, you can see that you can refer and earn money on this website. You can see you obtain 15% for level 1, 3% for level 2, and 1% for level 3. So that's how the site works. If I click on these orders right here, if I click on these orders, you can see right here, already earn 0, daily earnings 300 naira. So you can see I've already invested 2500 naira right here, and daily earnings right here 250 naira. With the bonus, they give bonus right here 5000 naira, and every day from the 5000 naira you will be earning 50 naira. With the 250 naira, that is, you'll be earning 300 naira every day if you invest 500. So you can see right here. So that is it. For you to contact them, let me say, if you have any issue on the website, so you can just click on this. Just click on this me right here. Once you click on this me right here, it will actually bring you right here. Once you just come down right here and click on this customer support. When you click on this customer support, you will chat them on their Telegram channel and complain the issue that you are having on the website. So for you to withdraw, just go first of all, put your bank details on this bind bank card, or after that just come back here and withdraw. So that is very simple. So just try to invest what you can afford to lose, and if you don't have the money to invest, don't invest on this website. That is the truth. So those that invest on this website are risky takers. So you cannot just carry your money and put on the website. They are not durable. So if you actually find a value in this video, just go out and subscribe to my channel and turn on notification.